Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these orange lines are coming from, and I want to get things updated here as I'm not patting myself on the back here, but I am going to pat charts on the back. If you go back and watch the video from May 24th, you heard me talk about the pattern and how a whole lot of people are going to be watching that orange line, including the shorts, because that could very well present a nice setup. And this morning you can see the price broke down through there, and then quite the nasty move followed. So again, not patting myself on the back, but I am patting charts on the back. When you know what to look for, and just learn how to read these things, that they do provide quite a bit of value. And I also don't want to come across like I have some sort of secret system or anything like that. No, this is something that anybody can learn how to do. You just got to put in the time and effort to do it. So let's get a few things updated here. Biggest update going forward really pertains kind of the big picture of things, and that is in regards to the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning, assuming you care about the overall picture, the big picture of things. Whereas, opposed to somebody that, was a day trader and bought right there, or a day trader and bought right there. I mean, for those people, yeah, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the grand scheme of things, the bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher base and therefore continue a longer-term uptrend. But how are we going to define, quote-unquote, longer-term uptrend? Well, that's where we'll circle back to the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword they're being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move its way upwards. And the easy way to look at that is, and I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but again, this will be a good example for charts. As long as the price is above that purple line, that implies that the price is increasing. And that's what long-term bullish moves do, right? They increase over time. So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence and make things very straightforward. So again, from a very black and white way perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line going forward, then from the grand scheme perspective, the bulls are still technically in full control. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep an eye right up here around $8.25. But in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority for the chart right now. Top priority is stabilizing and building a higher base so that the long-term trend, can get some higher stair steps. Because if you stop and think about it, if the price does indeed, bottom out right here, the previous set of lows was right there. So from a long-term stair step perspective, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So that is why that purple line is very important going into tomorrow. So we'll see how this closes out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.